Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, and worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul, and worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day.
A reading from the Gospel according to Luke. As Jesus and his disciples went on their way, he came to a village where a woman named Martha welcomed him in her home. She had a sister named Mary, who sat down at the feet of the Lord and listened to his teaching.
Abitha and Dr. Deeraj, when you commit yourselves to one another, you commit yourself to live a threefold relationship. Jesus will be the invisible partner of your relationship. In family life, prayer is allowed. That we learn to sit together as Christian spouses and later as parents with your children to sit at the feet of the Lord, to listen to His word, to share in the Eucharist. But you often to listen at the feet, sit at the feet of one another also. The trouble is that men want to do PhD, you have more time for His time. Sanata will sorry. Sanata will sorry. Sorry. And God be faithful. As we prepare ourselves, it is beautiful at full adventure of Christian merit life and love with Jesus and the garlic, both to get that the first sign of Jesus in the context of the marriage was the form that the maternal request for to Mary.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, and worship